how to change the site name in your Weebly website. So let's get started with the video. Once you log into Weebly account, you will come to this main Weebly account page. In the left side of the screen, you need to select the site, if you have more than one site created in Weebly account. Next, you need to click Edit Site on the right side of the screen to enter the site's dashboard. And in the site's dashboard, you need to click the Settings tab in the top toolbar. You can see here the site title. You can type in the site name that you want in the site title field. And click the Save button. And next, to publish the changes made, you need to click the Publish button in the top right of the page. And you can see the new site name has been updated in the Weebly website pages successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.